Hello, fashion lovers. How are you today? I hope you are all fine, doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where fashion knows no limits. I'm here again with a beautiful and amazing video. In today's video, we are focusing on latex and leather skirt. From mini skirt to midi skirt, pencil skirt to airline skirts, I'll share simple tips on how to style them for different events. If fashion inspire you, make sure to subscribe and explore my other videos after this one. These designs will really enhance your wardrobe. You will feel like a fashion icon in these stunning pieces. From sleek and sassy leather dresses to skirt, midi skirt collection. So guys, let's begin with mini skirt. A latex mini skirt is bold and full of shine, perfect for parties, concert or night out. Pair it with a plain blouse or tank top so the skirt stay the center of attention. A leather miniskirt gives you a softer classic feel. Match it with an oversized sweater for a cozy day out or a fitted top for a more polished evening look. Add some heels or boots to pull the whole style together. Next up we have midi skirt. This length is great for a balance of elegance and comfort. Leather midi skirt work beautifully for work or dinner dates, especially with a button-up shirt or turtleneck. A latex midi skirt stands out more and works well with a simple fitted top and minimal accessories. Pumps keep it classy while sneakers make it casual and chic. Now let's talk about the pencil skirt. Whether in latex or leather, pencil skirt create a sleek, confident look. For the office, you can pair them with a tailored blouse. For an evening, a lace or satin top add a touch of gum. And if you want something more laid back, even a graphic tee can work. Just add stylish shoes like pointed heels or ankle boots. When you wear latex or leather, remember that confidence make the outfit. These materials already have presence, so wear them with pride. Experimenting with colors, black is most versatile, red is striking, brown is earthy, and metallic shades can be perfect for special occasions. For accessories, think about balance. Latex already shines, so keep jewelry minimal. With leather, you can layer on a scarf, a statement necklace, or even a bold handbag. In cooler months, add tights, legging, jacket, or long coat to complete your look. Fashion has no rule, only possibilities. Mini, midi, or pencil skirt should reflect your personality. I hope you really like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. We will meet soon in another video. Till then, bye.